Hey, are you looking to generate more leads and want to know how you can generate leads without using your website? Well, in this ebook, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate leads without your website using the Facebook form. So this ebook is packed full of information for you. 26 pages packed full of exactly step by step how to generate leads without a website in less than 30 days. So this here will allow you to go through and step by step walk you through everything from your target, figuring out how to find your niche, building out your pipeline, uh, and actually creating the campaign itself. So it's going to walk you through everything. And a big part of any social media campaign is the targeting. So I'm not just going to tell you exactly how to create your lead form. I'm also going to go ahead and give you the ebook of what custom audiences are. So I'm going to explain to you exactly what custom audiences are, the 7 most common custom audiences that people are using now to generate leads and sales, along with 21 total strategies on how to use these custom audiences. So I'm going to break down the custom audiences for you, along with giving you 3 strategies for each one, for a total of 21 strategies that you'll have on how to use custom audiences. But you may be like, I don't know how to create custom audiences. And that's okay, because I'm going to go ahead and give you the ebook on how to create custom audiences. So this ebook here will walk you through step by step on how to create those 7 most common custom audiences. So super simple, step by step guides that'll walk you through everything from the very beginning, from targeting all the way to generating the lead and having that lead show up in your inbox. So if you are interested in learning how to generate leads without using your website, go ahead and click below and purchase this ebook. All right, talk to you soon.